Let's bring in our spokesperson for the Philippine Air Force, Colonel Maria Cristina Basco. Good afternoon, Colonel. Thank you for joining us.
Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon po, Colonel.
Good afternoon,
Colonel.
ma'am. Sir, magandang hapon po at sa lahat po ng ating viewers po, magandang hapon po.
Opo. Colonel, thank you for joining us. Colonel, if you don't mind, I'll start off with something very basic. Kasi ang sabi po ni General Romero, siya po ay hindi nakatanggap ng Gold Cross Award. As far as your records are concerned po, wala ho ba siya talagang Gold Cross Award or meron?
Yes, sir, that is the part na kailangan nga po natin ma-verify using the official records, So, nga po, sinabi na nga po niya that the award identified was a gawad sa kapayapaan, which he said nga po that recognized his contribution dun sa acquisition ng C-130J for the Philippine Air Force.
I
Kaya po
understand po.
ngayon, yes po, the way forward for PAF today, the responsibility of the Air Force is to verify the actual award, its authority, and the documentation that's supporting yung pag-confer po at yung pagsuot po nito.
I understand po. I asked that po kasi we found at least 2 photos of him in uniform wearing both yung Gawad sa Kapayapaan at yung Gold Cross Award. Yung Gawad sa Kapayapaan with the blue background with the white stripe, and the Gold Cross Award, blue background with 3 narrow white stripes. So clearly po, he was wearing both anyway po, I ask you that kasi we suppose po that it's a bit easy naman to check kung siya ay nabigyan ng Gold Cross o hindi, kasi that's a pretty easy way to that's a pretty easy thing to cross check
Hindi ba check lang po yung database, Colonel?
Yes, that's why kaya nga po tayo nag-i-investigate nga po ngayon, and while the investigation is ongoing, hindi po natin gustong i-preempt po yung results. We want to make an extensive investigation para po we could have the proper disposition po afterwards.
So you mean, Colonel, after 5 days, we don't know yet if he was given a Gold Cross?
Ano po yun? It would take some time kasi nga po we are now having this investigation. So, hindi po natin pwede ma-preclude po yun. That's why we are having that.
How much longer do you anticipate before you have the results, Colonel?
I really can't say, ma'am. But rest assured po na simula nga po nung the public was discussing for this, we were already investigating it. As a matter of fact nga po, because of what happened, he was relieved of his position, of his designation as the Tactical Operations Wing
Of North Luzon.
Reserve, Northern Luzon Commander, yes. So ano po yun, ganun po automatically yung ginagawa natin. Person in uniform, whether active or reserve po, is being investigated. We relieve him muna po of his position so as not to affect the outcome of the investigation.
So,
Colonel, without telling us yung details ng investigation, ito kasi very graphic diba? Kita mo naman yung mga medalya na pinagmamalaki niya. At lumabas ito sa isang magazine.
Rising Tigers magazine.
So, offhand, ang iniimbestigahan nyo ay paano siya nagkaroon ng ganong klaseng award? Parang settled na ba na meron nga siyang kinabit sa kanyang uniforme?
Yes, that is that is part of it po, sir, That is part of that extensive review nga po natin nung ating policies and records that concerns awards, yung badges, and insignia natin, particularly for our reservists.
Colonel, I hope you don't mind my saying this po, pero medyo matagal na po para sa pag-check lamang kung nakakuha siya ng Gold Cross o hindi. Kasi po, di ba, mabilis lang po yan Wala pang 1 oras siguro if you, and I suppose you have the records because he did not retire a long time ago, kahapon lamang.
Opo, yes po. Alam niyo po yung process po ng investigation kasi hindi po ganun po kabilis, That's why nga po, before, rushing into this yung outcomes po. We would not like to preclude the results. That's why it's still being investigated po.
Okay. Manny?
Mogs.
Colonel, meron kasing airman second class na kapangalan niya.
Michael Romero.
Oh, that was awarded a Gold Cross sa Palawan nung November 2020. Siya po ba yun?
Yes po. Actually, that's also part of our investigation. But yung ano po kasi, si General Romero, when he joined the service as a reserve po, no, ito po, siya po yung isang ROTC graduate. And ROTC graduates po kasi are, if they wanted to activate their reservist, gusto nila maging active reserve kumbaga po, ano po yun, they apply po no, na ma-activate. So nung time na po yun, by virtue of being an ROTC graduate pa po kasi, binibigyan po natin sila ng rango na enlisted.
Okay.
Airman second class.
Airman second class.
Opo. Ma'am, klaruhin ko lang po. When you said yes po, ang ibig niyo ba sabihin, yes po, that is being investigated, or yes po, nabigyan nga si Airman second class Michael Romero ng Gold Cross? Alin po doon yung yes po? Para lang po sigurado tayo.
Yung kanyang pong pagkatao na po, yung pangalan po niya,
Nasa po
yung
yun.
rango po niya. Yes, that's
Yung
it.
Airman
But
second
ano
class.
po, but kaya nga po yung, with regards to the award, ayun po yung isang matter na kailangan po natin masusimbestigahan din po.
Ma'am, tapos pakiklaro lamang po kasi sabi nga ninyo, relieved of his command sa Tactical Air Wing na reserve ng Northern Luzon. Pero as far as the Air Force is concerned, hindi naman po siya tinanggalan ng rango. Tama ho ba? As far as the Air Force is concerned.
Yes, sir. Opo, sa ngayon po kasi, technically po kasi, hawak pa rin po ng men in uniform who is being investigated ang kanyang current rank. Yung designation lang po niya muna yung
kanyang posisyon.
tatanggalin.
Opo, ang kanyang posisyon.
So, hawak pa din po niya yun, yes po. Para po hindi na po maka-apekto dun po sa
Investigasyon.
investigasyon na nangyayari.
Colonel, meron bang ganitong precedent na nangyari in the past? At ano yung naging response kung meron?
I have to check on that po, sir, with our service and retirees affairs, no? So,
Okay.
I'll get back to you, sir.
Pero Colonel, parang ang bilis ng promotion ni dating Congressman Romero, no? Kasi nung 2024, full colonel siya, tapos nung 2025, first quarter, general na. Parang ang bilis ata. Wala akong
Wala pa
alam
isang
na...
taon.
Oo, na ganyan, nakabilis na ma-promote to general, no? Meron bang time and grade dyan sa military, maski sa reservice? Gano'ng katagal?
May minimum ho ba?
O may minimum?
Sa
time and grade?
reservice po kasi, sir, ano yan po, it's a different process. But then, it is being, tayo po kasi sa military, we follow this process, no? This administrative process. And kapag ito po yung application po natin, it goes on to the Commission on Appointment. So, kumbaga, na-verify naman po ng Commission on Appointment. Kaya po, the process went through. And these are supported by orders po. So, yun din po ang mga, among the other things that we're also studying.
Yeah, ma'am, but I think yung tanong po ni Mr. Manny Mogato is it unusual? I get po yung punto ninyo na ang Commission on Appointments yung nag-approve. Pero siyempre po, that's on recommendation of the AFP. Kasi malay ba naman ng CA kung sino itong mga ina-approve nila eh. Ito bang pag-promote kay General Romero ay unusual in the sense na wala pang isang taon from Colonel naging General? O ito po ba'y typical?
Oo, kasi may
Ayun
time and
nga
grade,
po.
di ba?
Opo, ayun po yung, kaya nga po, nagkakaroon po tayo ng extensive investigation also para po mas maayos po natin yung mga rules and regulations po that, kumbaga ma-update po natin, para ma-ensure po natin that these are the proper updated rules and regulation when it comes to promotion. So, kumbaga ito naman po kasi, sir, is covered po ng mga orders eh. Hindi po natin questionin po yan. Pero kailangan nga rin po natin pag-aralan and iniimbestigahan po.
Ma'am, sige po, bibitawan ko muna yung promotion and all. Ang tanong ko lang po siguro at this point anong kanyang status kasi as of yesterday, ang sabi niya siya po ay retiring o magre-retiro na siya doon, i-retiro niya yung kanyang rango. Is he retirable na ho ba? As far as the AFP Reserve Force is concerned, pwede na mag-retire ng ganun kabilis, ganun kaaga? Or does he have to resign?
Ano po yun, sir? Retirement and resignation are distinct modes po yan ng disposition.
Opo, okay ba?
So, para po sa reservist, sir, ang pag-retirement age po nila is dapat po 65 years old.
65. Mhm.
Or 20 years ata, or 20 years in service. Di po ba?
Hindi po, na gagamitin po natin dun sa status niya will depend dun po sa disposition kung ano po yung i-approve po ng proper authority po natin.
Yes, ma'am. What I mean to ask is can he retire already or must he resign? Kasi sabi nga ninyo, those are two distinct things.
Opo, ayun na nga po, that's why we need to really investigate nga po. Pero doon nga po sa tanong ninyo na if he could be considered as a retiree po, na retired reserve, under the regulations, hindi po.
Hindi.
So, kaya po kailangan po natin yung pag-aralan po yung disposition po niya talaga.
Okay, at least yung pumalinaw. So, at this point, hindi pa siya retirable, kumbaga? Tama ho ba?
Resigned.
Opo, sir.
So, he has
Kasi
to
alam ko,
resign.
65 sa service, tsaka or 20 years of service sa military.
Yeah.
Kasi yung po sinabi niya sa kanyang pahayag, he is retiring. Magkaiba nga yung dalawa.
Yeah.
Opo. Yes, sir.
Pasensya na, Colonel, because this has raised a lot of questions among active and retired military personnel din, no? Some of whom Ed has also spoken to. Lalo na because this surfaced because of that photo that went viral. Yung katabi niya si General Antonio Navarrete, who we all know has been in active service for a very long time, I think over 30 years. Tapos, the optics of it look bad, especially if di pa confirmed that he has received all those medals and badges, right? So, I mean, could you confirm where this photo was taken and how it came to be that he's standing next to General Navarrete?
Tama po, ma'am, that was taken po nung yung confirmation nila.
Confirmation,
This is during the CA hearing.
Yes
Senado
po,
siguro.
to CA. Ayun nga po, and we understand and we recognize that this public discussion surrounding his military service, especially pertaining po dun sa awards and budget, nakita-kita nga po dun sa photograph, this prompted question. Kaya nga po, ang ginagawa po ngayon ng Philippine Air Force is mag-undertake po tayo ng review ng policies and records, particularly concerning to awards, badges, and insignias for reservists. So, ito po, importantly po, no, itong investigation po natin, it's not intended to prejudge any individual, but to establish the facts and ensure na makapag-comply po tayo sa regulations and policies po natin.
Okay.
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 Well, Colonel, pasensya na po medyo makulit kami, pero alam mo naman po, medyo sensitive na issue sa maraming tao, lalo na sa mga active duty. I suppose, pati ho kayo, medyo sensitive rin sa inyo ito.
A lot of people have been unhappy about it.
Understand po.
May
Last
pahabol
na
po.
yan.
May pahabol po.
Last.
May pahabol.
Tatanong ko lang kay Colonel kung yung bang command pilot badge honorary o na-earn through service.
Sir, yung honorary badge is maybe afforded po, maybe given. Maybe
Okay.
given po to reservist po ng ating mga major service commander. So, ano po yun? Okay lang po na maibigay po yun
Okay lang
sa
yun.
mga
Oo.
reservist po. Yes po, yes sir.
Colonel,
Okay.
panghuli na rin. Kasama ba dito sa inyong investigation yung pagkausap dun sa mga totoong nagkaroon ng gold medal awards? Kasama ba
Gold
sila?
Cross.
Gold Cross
Gold
Awards.
medal.
Gold Cross Awards.
Try na yun.
Kasama ba sila rito sa prosesong dinadaanan nyo? Dahil may mga ilang kasi na nagsalita na sharply and negatively. Yung mga tunay na dumaan sa sakripisyo, labanan,
butas ng karayom.
heroism,
Combat.
no? Kaya kasama ba sila sa mga kinakausap dito sa investigasyon?
Kaya nga po, ito po sa Air Force lang po na level nga po itong nagsimula, pero ang magandang ginagawa po natin is the ASP is really looking into this, the totality of the policy. So, ayun nga po, hindi ko lang po talaga mape-preempt at that will be included most probably po. So, it's not just for the Air Force po, sir. It would be, the whole AFP would be really looking to studying these policies po.
Yeah.
Yeah, certainly. Sige.
Okay.
Salamat.
Okay,
Salamat.
thank you.
We'll leave
Thank
that
you,
there.
Colonel.
Philippine Air Force spokesperson Colonel Maria Cristina Basco. Salamat, ma'am.